Hey, what's going on? This is Wayne with Tri County Locksmith Service, and today we're going to be diving into what makes these locks work. We're actually going to take a cutoff wheel and cut these things apart and check them out from the inside and see what makes them tick. We've already gone through the cutting, showed you how long it takes to use an angle grinder to cut this, which locks are bolt cutter resistant and which ones are bolt cutter proof. So now we're just going to kind of go ahead and for fun just see what makes these things tick and take them apart and see what's inside of here. So let's start with this one. Let's see here. The gloves. Okay, peel that away. Let's see what we've got here. Middle bit cut out. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh. Okay, so you can see that we've got a housing. And that's just other pieces of the metal housing. And then we've got the shackle bit right here that slides up and down. You've got an actuating mechanism that lets the cylinder actuate that mechanism up and down in there. And that's pretty much how this round lock works. Looks like there's a couple more pieces in there we could cut apart and see. Dig down a little further into it here. And that's pretty much it. Fairly simple once we dive down into it and see exactly what it's made of. And that's again why this just is not a very secure lock. I mean, look at this teeny tiny, itty bitty locking cylinder that we have here. You know, it takes this teeny tiny little key. Probably won't work anymore because we've got into the cylinder a little bit. Ouch. It's not going to work, but that's pretty much what we've got there. That's all that locks this entire locking system up. It's just this teeny tiny cylinder, and you can see it just does not have any pick resistance, and it's just so small, and it's four-pin tumbler lock, just very easily picked. So there you have it. That's the big. It looks big and brawny on the outside. But on the inside, this is what you've got. You know, check out my channel. Please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. The more subscribers we have, the more that I know that people want to see what we're doing, and the more content that I'm going to be able to put out. So subscribe, share with your favorite social media, and like. Thanks for watching. 50XKAD. This is like a storage unit type of lock. You know, you can use them for several different things. If you have a bike lock, you know, it would work as that as well. It's designed with the round function, so you really can't get bolt cutters to attack it. But we're going to put that to the test. This is a number 8 security rating from them, or ASTM gives it a 6. So we're just going to show you what that really buys you as far as security goes. This is going to be very similar in construction to this version of Master Lock that is also supposed to be bolt cutter proof, but obviously it is not. This one does have a thicker shackle though, so it probably will be more difficult to cut. Basically we just turn the key, pop that out, and that's that. No drill resistance for the cylinder, so drilling is an option. Same 4-pin cylinder. You can see that pinning would be very, very easy to rake or pick open. These locks are extremely easy to pick open. You can find thousands and thousands of YouTube videos with people picking master locks open. They all use the same 4-pin lock. The only one that hasn't used that so far that we've tested was this one that uses a 5-pin. Pretty much same cylinder still. They just added one extra pin. Doesn't mean a whole lot. Still extremely easy to pick all of these. As far as, you know, bolt cutter proof goes, we'll try that out right now. Basically, we know we're not going to be able to cut it with our smaller 24-inch bolt cutters, but let's try and cut it with these. I'm just trying to jam the jaws as full as I can. If they'll take this 1/2-inch chain, then that's good. If not, then we'll get some smaller. Okay, our Pywag chain, we've already proven we cannot cut with bolt cutters. This is the 10mm version, so the lock becomes the weak link, not the chain. Okay, we're going to lock that up. This would be like how somebody could have their bike locked up, or it would be like this, not exposing hardly any shackle to bolt cutters. However, if we can get any bite on them whatsoever, I think we'll still be able to cut them. So we can still get a little bit of a bite on that. We'll go ahead and bring this down here and show. Then we'll just point it down. Like that. The point of the strap is to eliminate body weight leverage advantage. For the lock to be considered bolt cutter proof, it would actually have to damage the jaws. So it's not somebody's bolt cutting technique or the size of the person operating them. That is the only purpose for the strap, to provide functional, measurable force. it's getting scary. That's a lot of force applied to this. So that's starting to get pretty scary. So I am at the end of my strap, so we will need to release. And reapply. I'm too tired of sitting like that to do this. Wow, never seen that before. Okay, so I think it is actually bending the jaws on my bolt cutters. Huh. Okay. That's it. There is no more to wind up. You can see we're at the end of the rope. So this would be the first lock from Master Lock that I would consider bolt cutter proof as of right now, and boy is it close. Boy, it's right there. It was getting ready to break at any second. I'm wondering if I can get it in there further, if we can get it. Or actually, we'll put it in here. Let's see if this is any better luck. Oh, it still broke, so not quite bolt cutter proof. So we've got one cut, and I really bet if I get another bite on this that I can make the rest of that come off of there. To where we'd be able to get this out of here. I'm actually going to put a shirt or glove over this because that little rocket is going to go flying. I know it. If it does cut it. Well, that's how you know we don't fake our reviews, because I am not a fan of Master Lock, but by golly, if it can survive all that, then that's pretty good. But look, I mean, it is broke, people. It is broke. If I hit that with a hammer, that comes off there. So, you make of that what you will. I have cut this shackle, this same diameter shackle, with bolt cutters already. So you make of that what you will. It is cuttable with a hydraulic cutter. I think my bolt cutters, you can actually see what the problem is they're actually just kind of out of sync here. So if we could get that last little bit to close, but I'm also out of adjustment. So I wouldn't say it would be bolt cutter proof, to be perfectly honest. If I smack that, bingo, you can see what it does. And you can definitely see that it's cracked, you know, all the way around. I mean, the only reason this didn't cut it is because it's out of adjustment and there's just not enough room. But if we keep going around on this and did it again and again and again, it would definitely cut it. Ugh. Prove my point. I mean, that's a toss-up. You decide. Pretty tough. Definitely tough. Bolt cutter proof? Probably not. So, for more information, check out the website below. Let's see if we have a key for this. No. We'll actually just toss it right in here. Move that, and we'll show you what it would take to cut this with an angle grinder. So that's what it would take to cut it with an angle grinder. You times that by 2, and that's how long it would take to do that. So for more information, check out the website below. You know, hey, that's how you know the tests are real. I've cut that shackle before, but it doesn't always work in the real life, and I think we've just got so much pressure applied to this, the jaws are actually bending. So thanks for watching. Wayne's Lock Shop, we strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high-security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. Help me out and help me help you out. Right below the description box right here is a red subscribe button. Subscribe to me and then you're going to get the latest and greatest information that I put out. Sometimes it applies to you, sometimes it doesn't. It's just going to at least let you know that we're putting out new and current information. And then right over here is a thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up. Help this video rank higher in the searches for the search terms that you're using, and let other people be able to see this. That's the best way you can help. Interact. Leave a comment. I will get back with you if I can and try and help you answer your questions. But the more you interact and post this to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and spread this through the social media, the more that allows me to be able to help do more videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And subscribe, share, and like. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.